Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make your probably already fairly loud exhaust even louder. And I'm going to show you how to do that with this piece of just regular 2-inch pipe. I think it was about $8 at Pep Boys, and some rivets. But I'll go ahead and turn the bike on so you can hear and do a comparison of it before and after. This is a cold start, so it's actually probably going to have a little bit of trouble, but let's turn it on real quick. Yeah, it might help if I have it in neutral. There we go, I believe. No, let's see. There we go. Alright, so here's before. That's before. Wants to stall. It's also in my garage, so that's why it was so much louder than probably outside. That sounds really good, but believe me, when you're going down the road, it's not really loud enough for me. So I'm going to go ahead and get the video started. So step one, you have rivets. This Vincent Hine exhaust is SS2R. I had already previously shortened this, and these are supposed to be Allen head keys. They're not, they're rivets. So first step is you take a drill bit, put it in the center here, and drill. Now sometimes these rivets spin. You might have to use a hole punch to bang it in, but I'm gonna get it done without doing that. I'll show you guys this rivet real quick. You just stick it in, turn it, simple as that.